Watch me ride.
This is one of the shafts out of an R1 gearbox and one of the cogs which I've welded on the back because I'm making some clocks. Check out at Spicy110 Metalworks on Instagram and Etsy. Anyway, airline this, it spins, come on, you know what I'm going to do. Oh, that's quite scary. I wonder if we spray some WD40 on that, whether it will speed up. In theory, lubricating a bearing should slow it down a bit, because it's going to cause drag, but let's see if it speeds up with this blowing in the middle. Well, the answer is yes. It does actually speed it up. There you go. Make things go faster. Put WD-40 in bearings. No, don't do that.